Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Holy?
Hello there, Doug. Are you headed off to the game?
Yep.
Where's Kevin? Mater, let's go! You're on!
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Actually. Oh! Okay, what are you. Hey!
You've been driving on tires a long time.
It goes through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
He knows stuff.
He's been grounded for decades. Why would I want to be coached by a plane who doesn't even fly?
At least.
I love you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the hands. Come on, sing me.
Bingo fields around here.
Bingo fields!
Places to land.
The boat?
The USS Dwight D.
competitor, number 95, Lightning McQueen.
We got ourselves a nodder.
I thought it was just a preview and I didn't realize I was paying for it. PPS.
It's the least I could do.
Whatever happens, you're a winner to me, you old daddy rabbit.
Thanks, dear. We'll leave.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
Start your engines!
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here.
Y volvemos a los tics de Chick con Chick Hicks. Soy su amigo el pasado y por siempre campeón de la Copa.
Installing.
Thanks, guys.
Congratulations, man.
Welcome home, soldier. The place wasn't the same.
Nope, 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 nope,
I
nope,
think
nope,
we
nope.
all know the answer. Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, the guy left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing...
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down.
Look here, boys.
Expanding, causing the engine block to crack under the stress, forcing oil into the
He's no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama. Just like you miss...
I haven't had a chance to find out, but I am going to find.
Hello, slow little tank engine. You'll be pleased to know, Rose.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Oh, Lightning, come on. Look, I can do this. I can. I promise.
Oh!